Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to sharpen your ServiceNow skills, don't forget to subscribe and join as a member for exclusive tutorials and resources. Today, I'll walk you through on one of the most common tasks in ServiceNow, how to open incident tickets in ServiceNow. In IT service management, incident request represents unplanned interruptions or reductions in the quality of a service. Logging incidents correctly in ServiceNow is critical because it ensures issues are tracked, prioritized, and resolved quickly. Now, in this example, depending on how your ServiceNow is configured, from the ServiceNow portal, you can use the search navigator in the middle and type in incident. As you type in incident and press enter, it will take you to this search results that will the keyword named incident, depending on how many services configured in your ServiceNow portal. In this example, you can now navigate inside this create incident. As you click create incident, it will take you to this form. Automatically, the person reporting the issue, which is you, is logged by default upon submitting this form. Depending on the urgency of your incident, you can mark it as high, medium. So the service desk can prioritize respectively depending on your category of your incident. Now, under the description, it is paramount importance to provide a detailed explanation of the problem, including the steps already taken. And in this example, let us type in unable to connect to VPN. And as you type in the description of your incident, it will automatically create a response like a search results if there's any related announcements or incidents or knowledge article that will help you resolve your ticket. And if you find any, it is advisable to drill down on these documents and follow the step-by-step procedure. But if you don't find any relevant to your incident ticket, now you can decide to submit this form. Once submitted, you will see on the top left the ServiceNow generate a unique incident number for your reference. So what happens next? The incident then is routed to the right support group or technician. Then you should receive a notification, usually by email, with your incident number, and the progress can be tracked through the activity list on this portal that you're seeing now. You could send the follow-up if needed be, and post a message to communicate to the service desk who is handling your incident ticket. So some pro tips: always use clear, business-friendly language in the description so support teams understand the impact. If available, provide as much as information as you can. If it's your laptop, provide details about your laptop. If it's a server, then provide an IP, server name, and the error that you're receiving. This provides better context and helps with root cause analysis. Accurate data will speed up the resolution of your ticket. And that's it. You've successfully created an incident ticket in ServiceNow. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join as a member to access tutorials and hands-on labs. Drop a comment below with any questions, and I'll be happy to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching.